Hi guys, so we're gonna unbox this air fryer. We bought at Walmart, Chefman brand. Chefman brand. So yeah, let's go. Ang laki nito guys. Manual. Ooh, ito yung burner yata. My phone. Uy. Stainless steel. Let's put this at the bottom. It's hard. Ooh, it's huge. Oh my gosh, Reina. It's huge. Stainless steel. So, yan. You put his here. Like that. Ooh. Oh, mamaya na. Six quarts. This is big. Look at that. Chefman. Yan lang guys. Bye-bye. 6 quarts siya guys. Chefman. Bye. Thank you for watching.